Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is to better utilize and optimize your ERP system. Did you know that companies only typically use 20% of their ERP system, an already existing asset? Well, in addition to that, even more importantly, is that the best clients look at optimizing their use of ERP to drive substantial bottom line results. So for example, they may be looking at what is their sales pipeline and how do we make sure that we set up operations to be successful. So for example, what type of capacity, staffing, cross-training needs to be done? How do we look at purchasing and how do we make sure that what our purchasing team does is most efficient, cost effective, and supports customers? From a planning perspective, how do we set up a production schedule so that it's not only efficient, but it also drives customer growth and does so at an advantage, quicker lead times than the competition without adding cost? These are all examples of how you can utilize your ERP system to better perform tasks like MRP and related type programs. So get a small team together, look at some of these opportunities, engage your team, and you're going to drive substantial bottom line results.